War did not begin on a quiet morning. The earth cracked. The sky held its breath. No orders were shouted. No trumpets were blown. But all knew something would break today. From the dust, a towering shape emerged. Humanity saw fear take form. Dozens of soldiers, hundreds of hearts, all locked on target, yet no fingers on triggers. The gorilla challenged with a gaze. It did not roar, it simply existed. And that was enough. No trenches were dug, for this was not a war. It was a test. As humans lined up, time itself knelt. Even the sun stepped back. Then the moment came. The giant knelt. A presence, a mind, a choice. Not to fight was the strongest move. Weapons never dropped, because they had never been raised. A man stepped forward. Their eyes met. What was said, no one knows, but for the first time, two kinds spoke. There was no hatred, only exhaustion. Beside him, another human knelt. Another heart, another soul. The gorilla did not cry, but his gaze held thousands of deaths. The humans began to walk, slowly, carefully, treading over guilt. They passed among the fallen. They had not won. They had remained. One gorilla lay still, yet his eyes remained open. Death has no tongue, and its stare speaks all. Silence behind. Regret ahead. The sky was still clouded, but our hearts much darker. It was time to move on. But which way? The kneeling giant was gone. Only the question remained. Why? Histories will be written, heroes will be named, but truth will be buried. The earth grew lighter, but our conscience grew heavier. This war should have ended before it began, but we were too late. We now have a story to tell our children, and we will tell it with shame. Were we friends, enemies, or just puppets of fear? Weapons are not made when questions are asked. As fear rose, reason fell silent. And then an eye closed. There was no darkness, because the light never came. Behind us, 1,000 dead. Ahead, a silent future. And still the question hangs in the air. Who has won?